Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we bring attention to the dark side of the metaverse or disadvantages of metaverse. The concept of metaverse has gained significant attention and popularity in recent years. It refers to a virtual reality space where individuals can interact with each other and digital objects in a three-dimensional environment. The metaverse promises a world of endless possibilities where people can work, play, socialize, and even escape from the limitations of the physical world. However, beneath the allure of this virtual paradise lies a potential dark side that must be acknowledged and explored. One of the primary concerns surrounding the metaverse is the issue of privacy and data security. As individuals immerse themselves in the virtual realm, they leave behind digital footprints that can be collected and exploited. Companies and governments can use this data to track people's behaviors, preferences, and even manipulate their experiences for commercial or political gain. The constant surveillance and lack of control over personal information pose a significant threat to privacy rights and individual autonomy. Another aspect to consider is the potential for social isolation and disconnection from reality. The metaverse offers a seemingly boundless virtual world where people can spend countless hours interacting with others. While this can foster new forms of community and collaboration, it can also lead a detachment from the physical world and real-life relationships. The pursuit of virtual experiences may replace meaningful human connections, leading to a sense of loneliness and disconnection. The immersive nature of the metaverse raises questions about the blurring boundaries between reality and fantasy. As people spend more time in virtual environments, the lines between the virtual and physical worlds may become increasingly blurred. This could lead to challenges in distinguishing between what is real and what is not, potentially impacting mental health and well-being. The concentration of power within the metaverse is a significant concern. As a few large corporations dominate the virtual space, they can shape the experience of millions of users. This concentration of power raises issues of censorship, manipulation, and potential of abuse. If decisions about the metaverse are left solely in the hands of a few powerful entities, it could undermine the democratic principles and diversity of ideas that are essential for a healthy society. Here are the 7 dark sides of metaverse. Number 7. Privacy concerns. The metaverse collects vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about user privacy and potential misuse of sensitive information. Number 6. Digital addiction. With immersive experiences and endless possibilities, the metaverse can lead to addictive behaviors, causing people to spend excessive time online and neglect real-life responsibilities. Number 5. Cybersecurity risk. As the metaverse becomes more prominent, it becomes prime target for cyber criminals, leading to potential data breaches and security threats. Number 4. Economic inequalities. Access to the metaverse full potential may require expensive hardware and high-speed internet, exacerbating existing and economic disparities. Number 3. Intellectual property issues. With user-generated content being a significant part of the metaverse, it becomes challenging to protect copyrights and intellectual property rights. Number 2. Social isolation. Spending too much time in virtual environments can lead to social isolation and a disconnect from real-life relationships and interactions. Number 1. Psychological impacts. The metaverse's immersive nature may blur the line between virtual and reality, potentially leading to mental health issues and identity-related challenges for some individuals. It is important to approach the concept of metaverse with a critical eye and actively address the potential risks and challenges it poses. By acknowledging and working to mitigate these concerns, we can strive to build a metaverse that fosters inclusively. Privacy and genuine human connection, rather than succumbing to the dystopian illusions that may lurk within.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.